born in a village called Hadumazi.
Hadumazi.
But you know, I didn't spend a lot of time there. You know, try to grow with the family. You know, the mom moved to Gauteng. I think I was about 7.
Okay.
7 or 5. Then I continued with my schooling and stuff. And
where in Gauteng did you grow up? Which part of Gauteng? Sunnyside. You were moving around Central.
You know those places, but mostly in Pretoria.
Okay. Yeah. So last one I'm sure.
I don't even know what it is. I mixed it with English, Venda.
Yeah.
And then I went back to Polokwane for about 2 years. So there's a bit of Pedi inside there as well. So if you can hear, then
that's beautiful. It's beautiful to be multi-cultured because it just gives you a different layering and approach, you know, to life. That's awesome. All right, let's talk about your journey into music. Yeah. Where did it start?
I think with most people, there's always a background, obviously. From a young age, you know, I was listening to these hip-hop music from Tupac, Biggie, and them.
Yeah.
And even where I grew up, you know, there are some artists who were doing music hardcore. Yeah. You know, there was a Colbert Mukwebo.
Oh, so, Colbert, you know, Dr. Colbert Mukwebo to you, young man.
Apologies for that.
Yes, Dr. Colbert Mukwebo.
Apologies for that, you know, Percy Mukwebo, a good friend of mine, you know.
Ungo. What was this? What did we say? Okay, so that means she wants love, right?
She wants love.
Okay, or he wants love.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else can you teach us? You're beautiful. Onaka. Yeah. Onaka.
You can even say Uwabudi. Or you can say Onaka.
Okay. Yeah. And then what about I honor you?
Ndiyamuhulisa.
Yeah. Okay, what other words do you want to learn?
I want you.
I want you. No, konifuna. Ngomutoda. Say that again. Ndikomutoda.
Yeah.
I want you.
Ndikomutoda.
You look at Tabili. Tabili, you can't walk around the street.
I'm ready.
And saying that to people. I'm ready. Yeah. What else do you? It's a no. When they say have a beautiful, they say ubana. Yeah, that one I know.